So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate a QR code of any link without any watermark on it, and it's a total free process. So we are going to use canva.com for the same. You don't need the premium version of it as well. Now just simply click on the more option right there, and again you'll see this option of apps right there. Click on apps, and under here you need to search for the QR code. Now once you search it, you'll notice this first application. Click over there, and here you click on this option of use in design, open any suggested design, and here it will ask you to enter the link. For example, if I write www.facebook.com and hit generate code, and until once you do it, you'll notice that the QR has been generated without any watermark for free. You can use it anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.